Di ka naman agad idedemanda ni bangko. The thing that you have to do is to Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. I am so excited, blessed, and full of gratitude because they were given the opportunity once again to tackle 5 queries. And through the queries that we're going to tackle today, I hope you can grab another gem that you can use as you travel through your credit card journey. Alright, so first question na kaagad tayo.
First question. Paano malalaman ang na-approve na credit limit?
To answer that, usually, hindi kasi nagdi-disclose si bangko of the approved credit limit. But there's a way to find it out. Pwede kayong tumawag kay bangko, kausapin si customer service representative, and inquire of your approved credit limit.
Second question. Idedemanda ka ba agad ni bangko kapag hindi ka nakabayad ng credit card bills mo?
No, hindi ka naman agad idedemanda ni bangko because there is a due process to settle these matters. Kapag several months na hindi ka na nakakabayad ng credit card bills mo, there's always an initial process.
Follow-up question. Kailan ka pwedeng idemanda ni bangko?
Usually, kapag hindi ka na nakakabayad ng credit card bill mo, ang mangyayari, tatawag sa'yo si bangko, tatawag si customer service representative, o kaya collection department. The thing that you have to do is to receive the call. Do not ignore, do not disregard. Kausapin mo sila. And sa pamamagitan kasi ng willingness mo to pay, sa pamamagitan ng pagsabi na, halimbawa, today, hindi ako makakabayad kasi hirap ako. I'm struggling. This is my situation. But of course, I'm very much willing to pay naman. So yung willingness mo kasi to accept na may utang ka and admit na gusto mo namang magbayad pero talagang hirap ka and asking them to make a special arrangement o yung tinatawag natin na restructured mode or arrangement of payment, paying through installment. That shows your willingness to pay your debt. So with that, hindi naman agad ire-record ni bangko na ayaw mo na magbayad kasi they can only do something legally or legal action against you or towards you kapag hindi mo na talaga sinasagot ang mga tawag nila, and that would mean na ayaw mo magbayad. Okay? So saka lang magkakaroon ng mga ganong legal actions kapag they found out that you don't really want to pay your debt with the bank. Whether that is a credit limit debt or a personal loan. So, kailangan kapag hindi tayo nakakabayad, we have to make sure that you show them your intention that you want to pay. Kaya nga lang, you are financially struggling and try to explain. Ito palagi kong sinasabi sa mga previous videos ko. Be honest. Be honest with the bank. At pag tumawag sila sa'yo, accept the call. Kahit naiinis ka, natatakot ka, or whatever is your emotion, kailangan iset aside mo muna yan. Okay, receive the call and speak with kung sino man siya, CSR ba siya, or sa collection department. And that is the proper thing to do. The proper attitude to face those kinds of struggles. There was one time na parang akala ko hindi ako makakabayad. So hirap ako kasi I've been through trials in life also. 2 months na yata akong delayed that time. So lahat tayo nagkakaproblema ng ganyan. Don't worry. I'm in the same shoes where you're in. So ang nangyari is, in-explain ko that I am financially struggling. And they understood. And then, in-explain ko na gusto ko namang magbayad kasi syempre ayoko namang mapahiya. Di ba yung mapag-usapan ka? Or kahit hindi ka mapag-usapan kung malalaman ni bangko na, wow, ang taong ito, humiram ng ganito, binigyan natin ng ganito, pero oh my goodness, he is now ignoring us after he or she enjoyed those credit limit that the bank gave us, and then bigla natin silang i-ignore. So, syempre, may mga ganun ding, although rational naman talaga ang mga bangko. And they will give us the proper treatment that they need towards the situation that we're into. Kaya, do not be afraid. Face it. Kaya mo yan.
Third question. Pag nasira na ang credit score at record mo kay bangko, pagkakatiwalaan ka pa ba?
Pag nasira na ang credit score mo or record mo kay bangko, so may paraan pa ba to restore it? Of course, there will always be a way to restore yung credit score, yung record mo with the bank. But you have to start from zero. So, siguro hindi ka na nila i-approve sa mga credit card. Pero meron naman tayong tinatawag na secured credit card. Yun yung mga credit card na nababagay sa mga taong gustong i-restore ang kanilang credit score. Yung mga nagkaroon ng hindi magandang history with the bank, with their credit card journey, and talagang hindi tayo i-approve ni bangko with credit card. Pero sa pamamagitan ng secured credit card, then we can. And if we try to show and make payment the best that we can this time, so marerestore naman ang ating mga credit score at ang ating record with the bank.
Last question. Ano ang gagawin pag hirap kang magbayad ng utang kay bangko?
Marami naman talaga ang nandyan sa sitwasyon na yan, yung hirap magbayad ng credit card debt or credit card bills. So ano ba ang dapat nating gawin? Usually kasi ang mga bangko kapag hindi ka na nagbabayad ng minimum amount or hindi mo na nababayaran yung utang mo sa kanila, pati yung minimum amount, usually blina-block ni bangko yung credit card mo. Kaya hindi mo siya magagamit kahit may natitira pang credit limit yan. So para hindi mangyari yon, na tuloy-tuloy mo pa rin magamit kahit na may utang ka, bayaran ang minimum amount. So kapag hindi talaga nakakabayad ng utang with bangko, yung minimum amount na lang muna. And huwag tayong mag-conclude na next month hindi na natin mababayaran yan. So hope for the best pa rin na by next month, may budget ka para mabayaran mo yung existing na bill mo or debt mo with your credit card. And just in case na talagang hindi ka makakapagbayad, that is the time to approach your bank and explain the matter. Alright, so I hope may nag-grasp tayo na information and idea again sa video natin for today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for tuning in and sana makapag-subscribe na din po yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe. And please, kapag nag-subscribe ka, tap the notification bell na rin para ma-update ka tuwing may bago tayong video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye, everyone.